Today, I will be showing you how to sign out of Homes.com. Signing out is important, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you simply want to keep your account secure. First, make sure that you are already logged in to your Homes.com account. Once you're on the home page, go to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you will see your profile icon, which is located right next to the notification bell icon. Click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. After the drop-down menu appears, scroll all the way to the very bottom. At the bottom of the list, you will see the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out and you will be logged out of your account immediately. You will then be redirected back to the Homes.com homepage. And that is how you sign out of Homes.com. Thank you for watching.